Designed by London and Brighton-based Studio 4IV and conceptualised by Giles Miller, this beautiful shopfront facade at Harvey Nichols stands 10 metres tall and is made up of thousands of metal petals. The flowing, wave-like pattern is supported by a custom-built frame. That structure was carefully engineered to keep everything stable while allowing the form to move naturally across the facade. There are around 13,000 petals in total. Each one is CNC-cut for precision, then angled to follow the shape of the wave from top to bottom. They're secured using a mechanical bolting system which is strong enough to hold every piece in place while allowing for easy maintenance when needed. Each petal is finished in a champagne gold gloss. It reflects light beautifully, but the process is complex. Several coating stages are needed to achieve the right level of shine, durability, and consistency. One of the biggest challenges was alignment. Every petal had to match in spacing and angle, so the wave stayed clean from every view. Getting this right meant close coordination between the designer, fabrication team, and installers, turning a complex design into something built to last.